This video explains how to rename the column of a pandas data frame based on its index position. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. As a first step for this tutorial, we need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we also need to create an example data frame, as you can see in the next lines of code. So after running the lines of code in the second code box, we have created a new data frame which is called data. And this data frame contains 5 rows and 4 columns, which are called x1, x2, x3 and x4. Now let's assume that we want to rename the column of the second index position. So in this case, the column x3. Then we can apply the code that you can see in the next code box. So in this line of code, I'm using the rename function, and within this function, I'm specifying the columns argument, and I'm specifying that this column should be called new. And then I'm storing the output of this in a new data frame object that I'm calling data new. So after running these lines of code, you can see that a new data frame is created, which is called data new. And this data frame contains the same values as our input data frame. However, the column at the second index position was renamed to the column name new. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.